So she was gonna commit a theft, correct?
That's what I think, but I don't have enough.
Did she have any means to pay for the items she had?
I don't know. I haven't searched her purse yet.
Maybe go that route.
Mm-hmm.
Today's video is about Whitehall Police Lieutenant Dustin Willis. On October the 7th, 2021, when he was still a sergeant, he arrested Miss Luana Southern and charged her with a felony as well as a misdemeanor when he did not have the probable cause to support either charge. She spent a week in jail on those charges. The felony charge was eventually thrown out when a Whitehall police detective looked at the case and added the following note. Case closed. The case does not meet the elements of a theft. Suspect never attempted to leave the store with the merchandise. Here's what Sergeant Willis wrote in support of the arrest. The defendant loaded a cart with $1,069 worth of merchandise. She left the cart and tried to exit the store. She had no means to pay for the items. But Sarge, she didn't try to leave the store. She left the store without the merchandise. You knew this and you wrote exactly that on a separate report. Why did you change it to tried to leave the store on the actual criminal complaint? Okay, she loaded a cart and did not have the means to pay for the items, then left them in the store, but she was still charged with a felony? No, I'm sorry, that's not how this works. The officer who initially detained Luana tried to help Sergeant Willis, but Big Sarge wasn't having it. He ordered the officer to make the arrest.
86 to 100. What are you doing with her?
Stand by. Here's your purse. She's been trespassed from Walmart.
She's been trespassed from Walmart.
No. Code 3.
All right, hold on one second.
What?
Go ahead and put that down again.
Why?
Go ahead and put it down.
Why?
Put it down.
Why do you keep doing this to me?
My boss is telling me something different. They got something else I need to talk to you about. I got to talk to my boss about what's going on, okay? My girl, the initial one that we were watching, she left everything, was leaving the store. I just detained her to get her identified. She did a theft in Newark, so they identified her for Newark and passing that information to Newark. But we don't have a... Liana Southern? Do we have anything on her, the past other side?
On the farm, I don't know. He was
Okay.
still.
Okay, but she wasn't, that's the same car though?
Yes.
Gotcha.
All three were in that car.
Okay, I got you. I thought that was a separate car from what I...
No.
Yeah, I'm tracking now. All right, I'll go talk to...
Now listen to his explanation of the probable cause.
So she was gonna commit a theft, correct?
Technically, that's what I think, but I don't have
Did
enough.
she have any means to pay for the items she had?
I don't know. I haven't searched her purse yet.
Maybe go that route.
Mm-hmm.
If not, if we can't do anything with the theft, then I guess we'll stick with drug paraphernalia.
Okay.
What does he think this is? Minority Report? Are we now arresting people for pre-crimes?
I'm placing you under arrest for the future murder of Sarah Marks.
Give the man his head.
The future can be seen.
So she was gonna commit a theft, correct?
Technically.
So, he placed Luana Southern under arrest and charged her with felony theft, knowing full well she had not committed a crime. Now let's take a look at her second charge, possession of drug abuse instruments. Basically, he's saying that she possessed needles that were being used to shoot narcotics. Luana was apprehended while walking out of the Walmart carrying only her purse. The arresting officer searched her purse and did not find anything illegal. Sergeant Willis approached the vehicle Luana arrived in and found it occupied by two people. He then searched the vehicle and found some needles. Listen to where he found them.
Well, while we get this figured out, are you okay with me looking in your car?
No, I don't want you looking.
Okay, very good. All right.
Where's that?
Here, go back towards the front of my car.
Okay.
Or his
Okay.
car.
I'm gonna search this car.
Okay.
Where's the syringe? I don't want to get poked. Where's the syringe?
I don't have a syringe.
You're sitting on the cat.
I don't have a syringe, sir.
It's an empty purse with just a needle cap in it. Who uses intravenously?
That I'm not positive which one.
The
I'm not
bloody ones?
positive. Huh?
Well, there's one under your seat. Do you use intravenously? Just Luann
I think
or Leanne or whatever?
Luann does.
What about the girl in the back?
I don't know.
She was sitting on a bubble too.
Yeah, the one bubble was mine, yeah.
Okay.
Now, how did Luana get charged with possession of needles when none of the needles were found in her possession?
Hey, you got track words? Track words.
Lies. That's exactly how. Sergeant Willis lied and charged Luana with the needles because he's crooked and incompetent. If you remember a few weeks ago, I posted a video showing that Whitehall officer Brooke Cano was fired after being accused of making an arrest without probable cause and lying on a report. Listen to what Chief Crispin had to say about this topic.
Well, tonight the chief fired one of his officers for wrongfully arresting a woman, but the police union says she was targeted because she spoke out against the department. 10 TV's Carly Dion explains.
It's the violation of everything we stand for.
Whitehall Police Chief Mike Crispin says the incident happened 2 months ago and resulted in the wrongful arrest and felony charges against an innocent woman.
We realized immediately watching what happened during the arrest and what was reported in the arrest didn't match up, and that initiated an investigation for us. I have zero tolerance for mistreatment of the community, have zero tolerance for lying and integrity issues. Well, if you think what I just said was frivolous, then I guess I would ask them, do you think this is frivolous when you take someone's liberties from them when they didn't do what you said they did? We will make sure our officers do not mistreat the community.
So Sergeant Willis made an arrest without probable cause and lied on his report. Was he ever disciplined? Was he fired? No, he was promoted. It makes me wonder if Brooke Cano was a white male, maybe she wouldn't have been fired.